Join me as I put Epsom salt to the test and see if I can boost my tomato harvest like never before. Epsom salt has been a buzzword among gardeners for quite some time, and I'm excited to dive into its benefits and see if it really lives up to the hype. If you're looking to grow juicy, plump tomatoes, you might have heard that Epsom salt can be a game changer. But what makes it so special, and how can it help you grow better tomatoes? Growing tomatoes can be a challenge, even for seasoned gardeners. One of the most common issues is nutrient deficiencies, which can lead to poor yields and disappointing results. You might have spent hours nurturing your tomato plants, only to find that they're not producing as many fruits as you'd like. Another issue is soil quality. If your soil lacks essential nutrients, your tomatoes will suffer. Pests and diseases are also a major concern, as they can quickly decimate your crop. And then there's the weather. Extreme temperatures, drought, or excessive rainfall can all impact your tomato harvest. So, how does Epsom salt work its magic? The secret lies in its key nutrients, magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium helps plants absorb nitrogen, which is essential for healthy growth. Sulfur, on the other hand, helps create amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. When it comes to tomatoes, these nutrients are crucial for producing fruit. Magnesium also helps with seed germination and improves soil structure. By adding Epsom salt to your tomato plants, you're giving them a boost of these essential nutrients. So, how do you apply Epsom salt to your tomato plants? The process is surprisingly simple. First, you'll want to mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt with 1 gallon of water. Once you've got your solution, you can start applying it to your plants. You can either use it as a foliar spray or add it to the soil around the base of the plant. For best results, apply it during the transplanting stage and then again when the plants start to flower. You can also use it as a supplement during the growing season. In summary, using Epsom salt can have a significant impact on your tomato yields. By providing your plants with essential nutrients like magnesium and sulfur, you can promote healthy growth and fruit production. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Epsom salt is definitely worth considering. I'd love to hear about your experiences with Epsom salt. Have you tried using it on your tomato plants? What were your results? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other gardening videos for more tips and tricks to help you grow the best tomatoes ever.